Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Canada Local and Long Distance Movers Near Me service. For long distance and local moves in Canada, 3 Movers offers you quality services for the right price. When you work with us, you won't need to worry about anything. We work with commercial and residential moves, and we have a ton of highly qualified movers that will get the job done efficiently and with the least amount of hassle. Long-distance moving companies in Canada. The price of a long-distance move mainly comes down to the weight of the items and the size of the household. More objects mean more weight, and by extension, a higher cost. Your items will be weighed on the truck to determine the total weight, and this will be used for the cost estimate. You should be given a ticket with this information, which can be used to get a price quote per pound. 3 Movers will perform an on-site inspection for you to give you a more accurate estimate of what your price will be. We will also help you with the planning and even throw in tips. For instance, you should make sure any price quotes you get are given in writing. This will help you keep track of all the important details of the moving cost. Local movers in Canada. In local moves, distance is less of a factor. The price of your move will come down to labor costs related to the time to load and unload your articles. Additional charges such as equipment rental, driving, and gas fees can also affect the price. You should ask what is included to ensure you are making an informed decision. Getting a price quote is the first step in a successful moving project. 3 Movers can get you started with a free quote for you. All you have to do is fill out our form, and you will get the quote in just a few minutes. You can also reach us by phone at 888-202-0036. Use our online form or call now to start your move the right way. What are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.